The Butterfly Garden. In a quiet village nestled between rolling hills, there was a hidden garden known as the Whispering Meadow. It wasn't on any map, and only those with curious hearts ever stumbled upon it. The garden was alive with vibrant flowers that seemed to glow in the sunlight. And fluttering through them were hundreds of butterflies, their delicate wings painting the air with every color imaginable. Among the butterflies was a small, pale-winged one named Luma. Unlike her bold and bright companions, Luma's wings were soft ivory with just a hint of silver, making her feel invisible among the others. While they danced boldly through the flowers, Luma often hid under the petals, watching but never joining. One day, a little girl named Amara wandered into the garden. Her eyes lit up at the sight of the butterflies, and she spent hours chasing after the brightest ones. But no matter how much she tried, they always stayed just out of reach. Exhausted, Amara sat by a quiet corner, tears welling in her eyes. That's when Luma noticed her. Unlike the others, Amara wasn't drawn to Luma's subtle beauty. She didn't chase or clap her hands. She simply sat there, her sadness as soft as Luma's own hidden heart. Gathering courage, Luma fluttered close and landed gently on Amara's hand. The girl's eyes widened in wonder, and her tears turned into a radiant smile. "You're the most beautiful butterfly I've ever seen," she whispered. From that day on, Amara returned to the meadow often. She didn't chase the bold butterflies anymore. Instead, she sat quietly, and Luma would always find her. Together, they shared the magic of the meadow in their own quiet way. As the seasons changed, so did Luma. Her once pale wings began to shimmer with the colors of the sunrise, soft pinks, oranges, and golds. And though she would never be the boldest butterfly, she had learned that her quiet beauty held a magic all its own. The Whispering Meadow remained hidden from the world, but those who stumbled upon it often heard tales of a little girl and her luminous butterfly who danced together in the golden sunlight, proving that the smallest things can bring the greatest joy.